Hey everyone, welcome to the studio. So today I'm going to be continuing to experiment with house paints. I'm doing trivets or coasters and I'm going to produce sets of 6. And what I will do is I will put the recipe for how I'm mixing the paints and the colors within my video. So I hope you enjoy this. All right, so this is just my white semi-gloss. So I thought I would bring you in to show you some of the finished coasters. So I have 5 sets, mauves and blues, coppers, greens, and blacks, beach colors, black and red, and then greens, blues, and coppers or golds. So thanks for watching. I finished my coasters, so I thought I'd show you the final steps. So after my coaster is dry, then what I will do is I will take a soft sanding sponge and make sure the edges are smooth. Now they won't be free from drip over. There'll be some drips, and that's okay. And then after that, I either take a sheet of felt that is a peel off back, or I will take a cork sheet that has a peel off back. So you can see the back peels off like this. And I just get these at the dollar store. Now the felt pieces I get in the stationery section at an arts and crafts store. But these cork sheets you can buy at a dollar store. And then I will use this as a template. Cut out my piece of corkboard. Peel it off. Make sure that this is nice and clean, because you do want it to stick. And just put this on the back, and you will have yourself a nice little coaster. So just stick it in there. Now sometimes I will take my coasters and I will spray on some clear gloss acrylic spray. But because they're done in house paints, you won't necessarily need to do that. They'll be waterproof already. But I do like to spray them just because it gives them a little bit more of a shiny finish. So there you go. Nice little gift for somebody, addition to a housewarming gift or a wedding gift. Hope you like that.